In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build beautiful forms quickly with Paperform. Paperform is a versatile, easy-to-use online tool that allows you to create custom forms in just a few simple steps. Whether you're collecting feedback, conducting surveys, or managing event registrations, Paperform provides the flexibility and style to make your form stand out. To get started, head over to Paperform and select Create Form. You'll be presented with a few options. You can choose to start with a blank form, pick from an array of templates, or use their AI feature to auto-generate a form based on your prompt. Choosing a template can save time, especially if you're new to form building, as it provides a structured layout. Meanwhile, the AI feature is perfect for those who have a clear idea of what they want but need a starting point. Whatever you choose, you're on your way to an intuitive form building experience. Once you have your base form, the next step involves fleshing out the content. Paperform makes it easy to add various question types to suit your needs. You can include text fields for open-ended questions, multiple choice for fixed responses, drop-downs for compact selections, rating scales for evaluative feedback, or even file uploads if you need attachments from respondents. After setting up your questions, it's time to think about visual aesthetics. Navigate to the theme settings where you can customize colors, fonts, and spacing to align with your branding. Feel free to enhance the form's appeal by adding images or your company's logo. This not only boosts engagement, but also ensures consistency across your brand's materials. Finally, let's make sure your form is ready for deployment. Begin by setting up email notifications to keep you informed every time a form is submitted. This ensures you're always up to date with the latest entries. Additionally, you have the option to configure redirects upon form submission, directing respondents to a thank you page or a related resource. Paperform also integrates with a multitude of apps, offering seamless connection to your existing digital ecosystem, be it for data analysis, customer management, or workflow automation. Before going live, take advantage of the preview feature. This allows you to experience your form as a respondent would and make any final tweaks if necessary. Once satisfied, go ahead and share your form. Paperform offers the flexibility to distribute it via a direct link or embed it on your website. This makes access easy for your audience, no matter where they are. And there you have it, a complete guide to crafting stunning forms with Paperform effortlessly and efficiently. Building forms might seem daunting at first, but with Paperform, you're empowered with the tools and flexibility to create something truly unique and functional. Thanks for watching, and happy form building.